Today, I'm making an onion frittata with all the extras with you, with 3 additions that not everyone uses. But as you know, every family makes it differently. So today I'm finally showing you the full, complete version. Because I'm going to add sugar. Just a pinch, which will make the onions even sweeter. Parsley, which not everyone adds. Obviously just a little. And finally, even though a few more people add pecorino cheese, couple of tablespoons of pecorino cheese. Make this frittata with me. It's really simple, but let the onion cook gently for as long as it needs. Let it soften and don't fry it. You'll see that you'll get an extraordinary result. Let's make this delicious dish together. Let's get started. So, first of all, after peeling them, I slice the onions. But is there a real method for cutting onions? Not crying? I'd say yes. The only one I feel like recommending to you, maybe even the most inconvenient, is to slice them. Cut them under running water, put them in a container, stand over the sink, let the water run over them, and if not, well, in my opinion, that's the best method. Preferably with cold water. There are also other methods. If you have any easy, simple, tried and tested methods, let me know down below. Then I give them a good rinse under running water, and once they're rinsed and drained, I put a bit of oil in a large pan and add the onions. Add a bit of salt. Then I add a little bit of sugar. Cover with a lid and cook over low heat for 20 to 25 minutes, adding just a little bit of water if needed. In the meantime, in a bowl, I crack the eggs, add just the right amount of pecorino, a couple of tablespoons, not too much, and add the parsley. Add the salt and beat everything well. After 25 minutes, I remove the lid and cook for another 3 to 7 minutes so the water evaporates and the onions get slightly golden. Now I add the onions, which have cooled down, to the eggs and mix everything with a fork. Then I put a little oil in the pan. I brush it all over the surface and also on the edges. I let it heat up a bit. Then I pour in the egg and onion mixture. I start to arrange it a bit. Then I gather everything together really well. After that, I cover it with a lid and let it cook on low heat for at least 15 minutes. Okay, now I quickly flip the frittata, put it back in the pan, cover it, and let it cook for another 5 or 6 minutes on low heat. Here it is. I also dry the top with a bit of paper towel. Look here. So, let's see. You eat this with bread. My goodness. There are no words to explain how good it is. And let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye. And as usual, before I leave you, I just want to wish you bon appétit.